Hey guys, it's Lace, also known as Lace, and welcome to my channel! So for today's video, we're going to talk about this one. This is the Technicolor semi-permanent hair dyes, and what I have here is the color violet. There you go. And these are from Technicolor MNL or Suzil Art, Fashion, and Beauty. So they sent this to me to try it out. So I do have a little bit of bleach hair left. This is going to be a quick video, so I will show you a before picture over here where I had my old blue hair. So after using this one, what can I say about this color? This is actually very thick. Let me open one for you. There you go. It's actually really thick and very vibrant. It does stain your skin and fingernails. Be careful if you want to use gloves. But on your face, it will come off right away. Overall, I really like this as it does work. As you can see, I have the violet color over here. I hope you can see it. When I used it, I just left it on my hair for 30 to 40 minutes. But it says here to leave it on for an hour minimum. But 30 to 40 minutes, it does do the job really well. I really like it. So when it was rinsing time, it just took me, let's say, 2 minutes just to get all of the excess color, and then after that there was no bleeding anymore. Here's what it looks like. So I really recommend this one, the Technicolor semi-permanent hair, if you're looking for a local brand to try out for your hair. I really recommend this. It does have that subtle floral scent. It's really subtle. It's not overpowering. I really like it. I wish I had more bleach hair. So yeah, Technicolor MNL, thank you so much because I really enjoyed your products. And since I have like not much of bleach hair left, I'm going to give away the other tub because I won't be needing it, because as you can see, I have most of my hair natural. So yes, I'm gonna give this one away. So please follow me on Instagram and also follow Technicolor MNL so you can check out more colors on their page. But for the giveaway, please follow me on my Instagram. It's BBLacePH, so you can be updated when I post this giveaway. There you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is a very quick review. I like doing these kinds of videos because it's easy but informative as well. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. And comment #honeybees to be featured in the next video. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!